Hello everyone. On last video, we just actually showed how to solve the this LeetCode problem 912 sort an array. And here's the algorithm, the step. So the step 1. So we choose the n pivot, and then the left portion of that pivot is smaller than the left portion of m is smaller than the pivot, right portion of m is greater than the m. And here is a pivot. This is kind of we just talked about it in the previous video. Okay, so if you have anything you are not actually familiar with, you can just check my previous video. So because quick sort is pretty much important concept, so I'm trying to make two different videos. Okay, so here is the algorithm. Okay, the explanation of the algorithm. So you can check definitely for sure. You need to check my previous video. Okay, so for this video, let's just code. Let's code. Okay, for this one, let's start from here. Quick sort. So 1 second. We need to actually trying to define the. Okay, so we are trying to actually write a method. It's called a quick sort, and we are going to put this one, and later we will write it right here. Okay, we just leave it here, and then we return the names. But now we are going to write this function of quick sort. Okay, so for here, public void, because we don't need to return anything. We just sort it. We just return the sorted array. Okay, I mean we just sort it. Okay, so here is quick sort, and then what we do, and here names, we have a start, we have end. Okay, we have start, we have end. If start greater equals to end, and then return. Okay, this is a condition of the recursion. Okay, and then we partition our problem to a sub problem. So this is start, this end. Okay, and then we are going to write another function. It's called private integer partition, because we need to partition of this one. So what do we do? How to do partition? Yeah, let's do this like an integer, and this one names integer stat int, not integer int. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, here what we do, we define m, the pointer m. I just showed you the last video, the previous video. You can definitely check my video. This is pivot. So we are choosing the pivot. We are choosing the start, the first one, the leftmost one from this array. And then what we do, we iterate this array start from start plus 1. Remember, I showed you in last video, because the first element we choose as a pivot. So we start from the second one. So start plus 1, and I smaller than end, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then what we do, if names I smaller than pivot, and then what we do, swap names plus mem I. Okay, we will swap that one. Okay, this is kind of, or if we iterate everything, what we do, we swap the start, the first position, you remember the pivot and the M. Okay, so we swap that one. So yeah, and then we return M. Okay. Oh, here. Okay, basically like this one. So let's write another method about swap to function. Yeah, to atom. Okay, private void swap. Here we are doing this. Names int I, int j, and what we do the temp. Okay, enter temp. So we put the numbers I to the temp first because we don't want to lose it, right? Because we are going to put our j, numbers j to I. So that's why we need to store we need to store the I to a temporal variable. Okay, and then what do we do? Just like this, and then temp. Okay, in this way we swap this. Okay, and then we need to, yeah, this is a quick sort we just did, and here is a partition. We partition the quick sort, partition the array to different sub problem. This is a partition method. Inside the partition method, we have a swap method. We use this function trying to do this, and then we came back to here. So after we partition, what we do? We recursively do quick sort, and then this one start from start, yeah, always, and then midpoint -1 because midpoint is the one we return, right? And then quick sort. We start the names. We start from a middle +1 and then end. Okay, because we returned the middle one. Okay, so basically, this is a quick sort method. And then let's do here. So we input is names, and then 0. 0 is the start point, right? And then the end equals to actually this one -1. Yeah. Okay, let's run the code. Hopefully it work. Okay. Let's run the code. Oh, private swap. Integer names. So what's this? I don't know. Private. Oh, here. Oh, sorry about that. Here has I. Okay, it's accept. That's good. Let's choose another one. Let's choose another example. Okay, let's choose another example to check if it works or not. Okay, let's run the code again. Okay, it works. Okay, let's submit. Oh, what happened? Let's do again. Maybe my network is not very good. Okay. Okay, let me figure out what's the problem. Hi guys, actually this actually not because of the code. Actually, I did submit this exactly same code previous time, so it's actually it's good. So, but this one, this is a detail. Yeah, this is exactly same problem. So I think the problem is maybe because my network is not doing well. So, but actually, the runtime is very small. It's not like this huge. This is because my kind of my network have some problem. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.